Alright guys, we are at Pop Century Food Court and we just got ourselves some dinner. So I got the pot roast with mashed potatoes and green beans, and Kyle got the fried chicken with mashed potatoes and green beans.
Bottom of the barrel green beans. Bottom
barrel green beans, like they were totally out of it. But they had like no sides. They had rice and potatoes. Well, I don't want both. So give me what's left of your green beans, I guess. So we're ready to eat. Kyle's got his Haunted Mansion shirt from Oh Yeah Apparel. So we got that. So of course we have to ride that ride tonight, right? Yep. But we're gonna enjoy our dinner. Hey guys, we are at the Magic Kingdom. We made it after all. We weren't sure because it was raining so bad earlier.
We salvaged our night.
We salvaged our nights. But an Emporium update. Still got the scrim on it. Not a fan, but you do. It's kind of nice right now. It was just really hot and humid earlier, obviously with all the rain, but it has since cooled down a little bit and it's looking like a nice night. So we actually have some friends here and we're gonna go see if we can catch up with them. They're over in Frontierland or Adventureland. No, they're in Frontierland.
They're in Frontierland.
But we're gonna go to Adventureland. So that is the plan. But here's your view of the castle.
My neighbor had that color.
And people's hats too. And heads.
Don't touch.
Now here's an attraction we've never done. No real reason, we just never gotten around to doing it. But do you guys like it? Is it something fun that you recommend for 2 adults to do? I mean, I suppose it's just like Dumbo, right? But with magic carpets. Maybe we'll hit it later this trip. Waiting to get on Pirates. I'm here with Heather and Doug and Kyle.
What's up?
Roll 2 and 5 and 6, please.
Thank you. Where are you going? I don't care. Row number 5.
It's the treasure map for sure and no mistake. And by thunder, that scoundrel Captain Jack Sparrow will never lay eyes on it. Nor this here key neither. Why?
We are just waiting for Happily Ever After to start. Haven't seen it yet, haven't watched anything online, and it's our first night here, so looking forward to it. Lots of people though. It's kind of hot. Kyle says, where's the breeze? Where's the bruise? Is that like, where's the beef? That's where's the bruise?
your journey. Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs to the side of the car. And please supervise your children.
People move over time after the fireworks.
Open and close automatically.
And just for the record,
Para su seguridad,
the ramp is still broken, and our friends just left us on their mother out.
dentro del vehículo. Y cuida a sus niños.
What the heck is what I say to that, guys. So we just got done watching Happily Ever After, and I liked it a lot. I thought it was an awesome show, beautiful, great music. Still doesn't do it for me like Wishes did. I think that's just gonna take time. So I love it, A+. The emotional factor is still Wishes though.
Along the way,
And Kyle said he likes it too.
many of the exciting places you